What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be taking you guys over a few exercises that you guys can do when you are starting out in the gym for the lower body, because I've already made a video about the upper body workout, and I actually just woke up about like 10-20 minutes ago, and I'm actually getting late for work as well, so I'm just gonna head to the gym and show you guys the workout. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Alright guys, so starting off with basic warm-up exercises. Make sure to follow along.
Time thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? Cause I don't know if I can do this again. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
So the first exercise that we'll be doing is the squats. Make sure to keep your feet shoulder wide apart and go down with your back completely straight. Showing you guys another set. I total did 3 sets of these with 8 to 10 reps each. Next exercise that we'll be moving on to is leg extensions. You can also make different angles when your toes are pointing outward or maybe inward, because it'll affect different parts of your quads. You guys should also try the holding rep when your legs are completely contracted.
Tell me why you left me bleeding. I died for you, I cried for you, I tried for you. Tell me why.
Next would be stiff leg deadlifts with dumbbells. This will hit your hamstrings. So the next exercise that we have here is lunges. Finishing off here with calf raises. And with that guys, we are done with this video, and I hope you found this video informative. Then make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.